Hey YouTube, so welcome back to the day 13 of trade recap. So let's just go to the chart and then I'll break down my trades which I took today. So today I traded NQ because of price action. Just let's start with higher time frame. So today my bias was bearish because you can see price has swept out this sell side liquidity. There is a bunch of relative equal lows, and also price moves in premium. So that's why I was expecting price to move at least in discount to move further upside. So that's why my bias was bearish, and this is how I framed my bias for today. And I was expecting price to clear out these lows. You can see these are relative equal lows, and so that is how I decide my bias. And this was my first trade. Today I took two trades, one loss and one win. And this was my first trade. Yeah, so this was my first trade and I took a loss here. So let me just cut down here. So you can see clearly price is delivering from this hourly CB. You can see this, and also it is delivering from a 15-minute CB. So higher price is delivering from higher time frame PD array. And I was expecting price to just invert. Then I will look for short setups, and you can also see this is one more confluence. Price has also swept out this Asia high, and I took my entry here. Although I have to wait, I just got too early in this trade because you can see the down close candle is not long enough. So I have to wait more. Like I wanted price to just uh, made this candle big, because that inversion is a good inversion, but I just got too early in this trade, and after that, like you can see, price just hit my SL. So if I had like wait for 1 minute more, then I will definitely not take this trade, but I got just too early in this trade because I was too confident in this trade, so I just lost this trade. So this was my first trade, and I took a loss of around like $110, 0.5% risk. So this was my first trade, and I took this trade in London kill zone, and after that I waited for New York AM open 9:30, and sorry, this is my second trade. So this is my second trade. Let me just remove this. Okay, so 9:30 am open, and you can see I had waited. This is a 15-minute CB, and price also respects this, rebalance this fair value gap, you can see, and I had waited more, and then price created this fair value gap, and you can also see these are bunch of relative equal highs. So I waited for price to jack this the smooth edges, and you can see after that I took my entry. I waited for this setup patiently, and you can see the candle, down close candle, is long, and then I just took my entry here, and you can see although I had took some partials here, and then I take one entry again here with only 0.25% risk, and after this price has just make these equal lows and it moves upside. So I exited all my trades here. So this was my second setup, and I had made around like $310 on this. So this was my second trade, and also there is LRL. So I was expecting price to clear all these LRL first. So now I will show you my execution. So this is the execution for my first trade, which I took here. This is my execution. I lost this one, and this is my second trade which I took, and you can see this I had almost like open 3 contracts, and then I exit all the positions here. So, and this is my PNL, $204. So I took a $113 loss, then I made 204. So total I made around like $310, and after recouping my loss, I made around like $204. So nice day. So that's it in this video, and goodbye and have a nice day.